So usually what I get from Starbucks is a lemon loaf and a caramel frappuccino. So let's see if I can recreate it at home and maybe even make it better. So first I'm going to be starting on the lemon loaf because that needs time to bake and all that stuff. So yeah. Ah, you scared me. Okay, so for the lemon loaf, let's start with our dry ingredients. To this bowl, I'm going to add in some flour, baking powder, and some salt. Sift it out. Give us a quick whisk and set it off to the side. Now in our other bowl, we're going to add in some sour cream, vanilla extract, and some lemon juice. Take my whisk again and start whisking it up. I'm going to set this off to the side as well. Okay, so in another bowl, we're going to be creaming together our butter and sugar. Butter, sugar. All right, let's cream it together. Now we're going to add in our 3 eggs one at a time. Last egg, scrape down the sides. So now we're going to alternate adding our dry mixture and our sour cream mixture. Alright, batter is done. I got my greased baking pan. I'm going to add in our batter. I'm going to get my offset spatula and smooth everything out. Bake this in the oven for about 50 to 60 minutes. Moving on to the lemon glaze. We're going to add in some powdered sugar, milk, and of course some lemon juice. Now we're going to whisk everything together. Pour the glaze over the loaf. Alright, it's done, but we still have one more thing. Alright, so the lemon loaf is done, but we still have the caramel frappuccino. So I'm actually going to make some whipped cream because that's usually what's on top of the caramel frappuccinos. And usually in the frappuccinos, they have coffee, but I'm not going to be doing that because I don't really like the taste. Get our little blender here. The whipped cream is ready, so let's put that to the side. To my blender, I'm going to add in a big scoop of ice cream, some milk, ice, finally some caramel sauce. I will not put the caramel recipe in the description because I want that to have its own video, so it can be really descriptive, but here's a little short clip of it. So to my pot, I'm going to add my white sugar and water. Let it boil. When it's a nice amber color, take it off the heat and add in your butter. Now we're going to pour in our heavy cream. And now we have our beautiful caramel. Yummy! Let's blend. I add some caramel inside, add in the frappuccino, and I'm going to add some of my whipped cream. Finally, just a little bit of caramel sauce. Y'all, look at that. Alright, let's try the lemon loaf first. So good. Ooh. Caramel frappuccino.
Oh man.
Alright guys, that is a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was so fun. And yeah, videos every single Saturday. And we'll see you next time.